A life trick that only smart people know. Hang a cup and spoon on the door handle. If someone come in that door, the glass will slip off and make a sound to remind you. The phone won't stand. Cut the paper roll into such a shape. Spray it with a nice color. A brace will do the job. It's nice and practical. Print out photos of yourself when buying shoes online. Put it on the shoes. We can see which pair of shoes you fit. The moving table has worn the wood floor. Place the pad on the corner of the table and slide it. This will not scratch the floor. How to clean the bathroom glass if it is dirty. Shred the onions. Add shaving foam and mix well. Dip a cleaning sponge into the glass and rub it in circles. Finally, wipe clean with a rag. This way the cleaned glass will not be dirty for a month. 6. Cut open the empty milk carton. Put in a cling bag. Put the fruit in. Draw the air out of it with a straw. This way to store food can effectively extend the shelf life of food. 7. Take off the perfume cap. Draw the liquid out of it with a needle into a little bottle. Keep it in your bag for easy carrying without taking up space. What to do if the washing machine is blocked? Sprinkle some baking soda in the water pipe. Pour in a little white vinegar. It will be unclogged soon. 9. Hanging your trousers like this will have wrinkles. Bend up the sides of the hanger. Hang your trousers like this without wrinkling. It won't fall yet. Paying attention to me brings more practical tips.